Hi friends, now 10th class math 6th chapter progressions important 4 marks questions I am going to discuss. First of all, in this progressions we have two types of progressions. One is arithmetic progression and second one is geometric progression. So what is first one? Arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? This is also called as AP. So what is arithmetic progression? For example, the numbers 3, 8, 13, 18, so and so. For example, I am taking. What is the difference between these two? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. What is difference between two? 13 minus 5, 8. What is difference between these two? 18 minus 5, 18 minus 13, 5. So here, common difference is same for any two consecutive numbers. So these type of series, these type of progressions are called arithmetic progression. So we can say the general form. So general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so and so. This is called general form of arithmetic progression AP. In this, what is first term? A. What is first term? A. What is second term? A plus D. What is second term? A plus D. What is third term? A plus 2D. What is fourth term? Fourth term? A plus 4D. So and so. So here we can observe that whenever we have to write the term, the number coefficient of D 1 less than the number of term. Means here we have to fourth term, that is A plus 3D. Okay, now 1 less than 4. Here also for third term, this is A plus 2D. It is 1 less than third. So here also A plus 2D. So second term means here it is only 1D. That means, for example, if you want to, for example, A 10th term we want. So A plus is common. Here it is 10. So below 10, 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10 means what? 9. So 9D. A plus 10th term is A plus 9D. Similarly, for suppose you want 15th term. So it becomes A plus 1 less than 15 what? 14. So A plus 14D. So like that, the nth term an equal to what? A plus is common and n is there. We have to write 1 less than n. So that means 1 n minus 1. Okay na? ఒకటి తక్కువ n కంటే. So n minus 1. So this is, we can say that the nth term of progression, arithmetic progression, is A plus n minus 1 into D. So in this way we can derive the nth term formula also. So here, what is first term? A1 taken as A. What is second term? A2 equal to A plus D. Just a minute. So what is third term? A3 equal A plus 2D, so and so. What is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Similarly, and more thing, the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is called first term, D is called common difference, n is called number of terms. That's all. Sn means sum of the first n numbers. Okay na? This is the sum of the n terms formula. This is the nth term of arithmetic progression formula. And one more thing, second one is geometric progression. So it is denoted by GP. It is called as simply GP. So what is geometric progression? Here common difference is same, but here the common ratio is same. Means first term is A, second term is A into R, next term is A into R square, next term A into R cube, next term A into R power 4, so and so it is. This is also like same. The second term is A into R power 1, third term is A into R power 2, fourth term is A into R power 3, fifth term means A into R power 4. Similarly, nth term is A into R power n minus 1. So what is nth term of geometric progression? Therefore, nth term of geometric progression, nth term is equal an equal A into R power n minus 1. So these are the formulas. Here A means first term, R means common ratio between any two consecutive terms, n means number of terms. These are the useful formulas. Now we are going to solve 4 marks questions. What is first question? the sum of fifth and ninth terms of AP is 72. The sum of fifth and ninth terms is 72, and the sum of seventh and 12th terms is 97. 7 and 12th terms is 97. Find arithmetic progression. Okay, what is first statement? Sum of fifth and ninth. Sum means what? Addition of what? Of fifth and ninth term. So given that sum of fifth and ninth is 72, is means is equal to 72. What is fifth term in AP? Taken as A5, and ninth term is A9, taken as. Sum means what? Plus, between these two plus, and next is equal 72. Now A5 means what? A5 means, just now we have discussed, it is 4D. 5 means we have to write 4D. Ninth means A plus 8D. Ninth means 8D. Okay na? A5 means A plus 4D plus A9 means A plus 8D. Next is equal, next 72. So now A plus A, how much? 2A. Next plus, here 4D plus 8D. Means D terms here 4 are there, here 8 are there. So total D terms becomes 12. So it is 12D is equal 72. So in this we can take out 2 common. Yeah, I'm taking 2 common. A plus in 2 table 12, 6 ja is equal 72. In 2 table 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja. A plus 6D equal 36. Taken as equation 1. And what is second statement? The sum of 7th and 12th. So given that sum of 7th and 12th is equal 97. 7th what? A7. 12th means what? A12. Sum means what? Plus. Next is equal 97 as it is. Now A7 means what? A plus 6D. Next plus A12 means what? A plus 11D. And then is equal 97. So here A plus A becomes what? 2A. 6 plus 11. How much? 6 plus 11. 17D is equal 97. Here no common, taken as equation 2. I think better to take 2A plus 12D is equal 72 equation 1. Because of what I am saying, here A coefficient is 2, here A coefficient is 2. If coefficients are and terms are same, after subtracting 1 and 2, we get cancelled 2A and we'll get answer in D terms. So I am doing equation 2 minus equation 1. So what is equation 2? 2A plus 17D is equal 97. What is equation 1? 2A plus 12D equal 72. I am subtracting minus minus minus. Both are cancelled. Now 17D minus 12D. See, subtract 12D's from 17D's becomes 5D's. You know, 17 1 12 होता है 5 and is equal 7 minus 2 5, 9 minus 7 2. So then D equal 5 center right side, 25 by 2. Sorry, 5 goes to denominator. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. What is D value? 5. D value is 5. So to write arithmetic progression, we need A value and D value. But till now A value is not found. So substitute D equal to 5 in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. So 2A plus 12D. D means what? This is equation 1 as it is. Instead of D, what we have to write? Instead of D, 5 later. 2A as it is plus as it is. 12 5 ja 60 is equal 72. So then 2A is equal 72 plus 60 send right side minus 60. So 2A equal 72 minus 60 how much? 12. Then A equal 12 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So A equal to 2. So this is A value and D value. So therefore arithmetic progression what? Arithmetic progression general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So A means what? A means 2, comma, A means 2 plus D means 5, 2 plus 2 into D means 5, A means 2 plus 3, D means 5 dash dash. So 2 means 2, 2 plus 5, 7, Here 2 5 are 10. First multiplication after addition. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next 3 5 are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Dash dash is the arithmetic progression. So this is the required answer. And I'm going to take one more question. Question about arithmetic progression, and second question also June 17th, same, depend on geometry progression. So given series is given that 3 9 27 dash 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 is the given progression, and asking about which term of GP is 2187. So 2187 is which term is the question. So let us take, I am taking, this is a nth term. For example, I am taking that is a nth term. So let 2187 is the nth term. So that implies an equal to what? So that implies an equal to 2187. An means what? A into r power n minus 1 is equal to 2187. Here A means what? A means first term. So here I am writing A equal to first term, and common ratio what? R equal the second term by first term, or third term by second term. Anything. I am taking second by first. 9 by 3. How much? 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. R value also 3. Okay. Substituting A value 3 because of from here A value 3, and next R value how much? 3, and power n minus 1, we don't know n minus 1, okay, keep as it is, and is equal 2187. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there, both power, here 1, here n minus 1. So bases are same, in the product powers will be added. So 1 plus n minus 1 is equal 2187. So 3 power plus 1 minus cancel, 3 power n equal 2187. So 3 power n equal, what is 2187? Just simplify 2187 by 3 table. 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 2 ja 6, and 2 is there, 27 means 3 9 ja. Again in 3 table, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. Again in 3 table, 3 8 ja 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja no, 3 2 ja 6, yeah, 6 means 2 is there, 21 means 3 7 ja, 3 9 ja 3 3 ja. So now how many 3s are there? Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 power 7. Here 3 power n equals 3 power 7. So bases are same. So powers also will be equal. Therefore n equal to 7. So therefore 2187 is the which term? Is the nth term. N means what? 7. So is the 7th term. So this is second question about GP, and more questions we have. So please friends, subscribe my channel. Then not only you, and also share with others. They also can watch. Question. What is that? Find the sum of all 2-digit odd multiples of 3. So taken from March 19, means last year question. Okay, we have to find the sum of which terms of 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. What are 2-digit numbers? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so and so 99. Okay, in that odd multiples of 3. Odd multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3 generally? Multiples of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So 12, 15, 18, so and so. These are the odd multiples. Sorry, these are the multiples of 3. Okay. In this, what are the 2-digit numbers? 12, 15, 18, so and so are 2-digit numbers. Okay. So therefore, first I am writing multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, so and so. In this what? Multiples of 2-digit numbers we want. So multiples of 3. So 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. What are 2-digit numbers in that? 12, 15, 18, 21. If you write one more, 24, 27 dash dash. So up to 99 also 3 multiple. Yeah, 99. I am writing 99 also is a multiple of 3. So in this, what are odd multiples? We want odd multiples. See, 3 conditions are mentioned in the question. One is 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. One is odd multiples of 3. Okay, na? Next we have to take odd multiples. What are odd numbers in these multiples? 15, 21, 27, 19. These are odd multiples. So therefore, 2-digit and odd multiples of 3 are. So what are 2 digits and odd multiples? 15, 21, 27 dash 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 99. These are the odd multiples of 3 and 2 digits. So now we should find the sum of these all numbers. How can we find sum of all numbers? We have a formula for sum of all numbers, that is Sn equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or otherwise Sn equal n by 2 into a plus l. A means first term, l means last term. Whatever observe in these two, we have to find a value and d value and n value also. So a means first value, d means common difference, of course we get. What is n? N means nth term. So here nth term is 99, but we don't want nth term. We want what is n. So here a equal to 15, common difference d equal to 21 minus 15. How much? 6. So d equal to 6. A equal to 15. So what is 99? Nth term I am taking. Nth term means what? In arithmetic progression, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal 99. Now a means what? 15 plus n means we don't know. D means what? How much? D means 6 is equal 99. Now here plus 15 is there, send right side. N minus 1 into 6 is equal 99 minus 15. How much 99 minus 15? 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. So n minus 1 into 6 is equal 84. So it is n minus 1 into 6. So into 6 is send right side. So it goes to denominator. It goes to 6 goes to denominator. So n minus 1 equal 84 by 6. Now 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 2 4, 6 4 ja 20. So n minus 1 equal to 14, n equal to 14, minus 1 send right side becomes plus 1, n equal to 15. So we got it all values. We have a first term, common difference, and last term, and n value. So Sn equal, we have two formulas. Any one we can use. I am going to use simply n by 2 into a plus l. N means what? 15. 15 by 2 into a means what? First term. 15. Next plus l. L means what? Last term is 99. So 15 by 2 into 15 plus 99, how much? 9 5 14. 114. So into 114. Now cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja 10, and 1 4 2 7 ja. So 15 into 57. 15 into 57. How much 15 into 57? 5 7 ja 35. 25 7. 35. Sorry. 5 5 ja 25 7. 7 3 10 35. 5 1 ja 5 3 8. So answer is 855. So sum of all two digits odd multiples of 3 is how much? 855. So here I wrote 1 2 3 steps. If you are willing, if you are able to write direct this step, no problem. Then also you can write direct this statement and you can simplify. Okay, I'm taking one more question. Okay. Next, find the sum of integers between 100 and 500 that are divisible by 9. June 18th question. So between 100 and 500, what are the between 100 and 500? 101, 102, 103, 104, so and so 499. Okay, na? 499. So before 498, before 497, so and so. In this we have to take divisible by 9, which are divisible by 9. Is 101 divisible by 9? Check it. 101 divisible by 9. 9 1 ja 9. 11. 9 1 ja 9. Remainder 2. No. Next 102 divisible by 9. Okay na? To know about which is divisible by 9, add the numbers. Add the digits. If sum of the digits divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. So 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2. 2 is divisible by 9? No. 1 plus 0 plus 3, 2, 3. It's also not. 1 plus 0 plus 3, 4. No. 1 plus 0 plus 4, 5. Not divisible. So 105. 1 plus 5, 6. No. 106. 106. 1 plus 0 plus 6, 7. Is not divisible by 107. 1 plus 7, 8. It is also not divisible by 108. 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. Yes, 108 divisible by 9. So the numbers, what is that? Divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 are, what is the first one? 108, comma. So let me check, either 108 right or wrong. 9 1 ja 9. 1, 8, 9 2 ja 8. Remainder is 0. So it's exactly divisible by 9 at 12. So 108 is the first number which is divisible by 9 after 100. Then next word, add 9. 117. Next word, add 9. 126 dash dash dash. Okay na? So we found first number, first digit. So simply think from last also. Is it divisible by 9? Check it. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. No, it doesn't come in 9 table. Next, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 4, 21. 9 table? No, it doesn't come. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 4, 20. Is 20 divisible by 9? No. Next, 496, 495, 494. I'm checking from last. Checking from last. Okay. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4, 19. Is divisible by 9? Now, I'm checking which is divisible by 9 in that numbers, in last number. Next, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 4, 18. Yes. In 9 table it comes. So, last digit is, last number is 495. Here, asking between 100 and 500. Between 100 and 500, the 9 divisible of 9 are 108, 117, 126, dash dash 495. So, what is first term? 108. What is d value? Difference of any two. Okay, na? 9. Now, what is the last term? An equal 495. What is An formula? A plus n minus 1 into d, and is equal to 495 as it is. What is A value? 108. Next, plus. What is n? We don't know. N minus 1 into d. What is d? 9. And is equal 495. Okay, now it is plus 108. Send right side. And keep 9 minus 1 into 9 as it is. And is equal 495. 108 send right side becomes minus 108. So subtract 108 from 495. How much? 495, 108. 15 minus 8, 7, 8, 3. 387. 387. So n minus 1 into 9 equal 387. Here 9 is in multiples. So 9 send right side. It goes to denominator. 387. N minus 1. So in 9 table, 9 1 ja 9. 9 4 ja 36. So 2 is there, 27 means 9 3 ja. So n minus 1 equal 43. So minus 1 send right side, then n equal to 43 plus 1. So n equal to how much? 44. So now find sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers formula, Sn equal, we have two formulas, n by 2 into a plus last term. Otherwise, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also is a formula. From that also you can get same answer. Okay. N means what? 44 by 2 and bracket a. A means what? First term. 108. Next plus L. L means last term. What is the last term? 495. 495. So here you can cancel to 1 jar to 2 jar. So 22. Add these two. How much? 108, 495. 58, 13, 91, 10, 6, 603. So this is a 22 into 600. Okay, na? Do it, you will get answer. For example, 603 into 11 into 82, 3, 303, 066, 6, 303, 066, 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 130. So this is the sum of the integers between 100 and 50 which are divisible by 9. This is the solution. So fifth question, find the sum of all 2-digit odd positive integers, all 2 digits in that odd, okay, integers which are divisible by 3 but not by 2. So nothing is there, don't confuse anything. You just simplify one by one, you will get the series, then we can find the sum. So to write the series, take the given condition, apply given condition. What is that? Sum of all 2-digit odd positive integers. What are 2 digits? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so and so. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so and so. In that what we have to write? Up to 99. Okay. In that mention that odd positive integers. What are odd? 11, 13, 15. These are odd. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, so and so. 99 also odd. 99. Okay. 2 is odd. Next what? Which are divisible by 3. In this, which are divisible by 3? It doesn't come in 3 table, so it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. It is a divisible by 3. 15. Next what? See 21 also. Next 99 also. So 15, 21, so and so 99. These are divisible by 3. In this is any number not by 2. Yes, it is not by 2, it is not by 2. So here the statement and odd both are represent same meaning here. Because of everywhere odd number is not divisible by 2. So don't confuse. Okay? So 2 digit odd and divisible by 3 but not by 2 are okay. So the satisfying this statement, the number of series is 15, 21, dash 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 99. So now same as well. What is first term? A equal to 15. Common difference D equal to how much? 6. So last term A equal to how much? 99. Okay na? Use nth formula. A plus n minus 1 is equal to 99. From that you will get n value. After getting n value, substitute in Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. You will get the answer. I think no need to explain. I am going to take one more question. Next, sixth question. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6. I think you understand. Here the concept is same, but question is little bit different. So if you know this type of concept, you can get 4 marks easily from this probation chapters. So don't think difficulty. It is very easy, and try and solve. And also all the best for your exams. Okay. Now here 3-digit numbers. What are 3-digit numbers? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, so and so, 919. which are divisible by 3. Okay now? So which are divisible by 3? Is 100 divisible by 3? No. Is 101 divisible by 3? No. Is 102 divisible by 3? Yes. So 102 is divisible by 3. How I am saying? Add the digits. See, rule for 3 and 9 is same. Divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for 3 and 9 is same. Add the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible. See here, add 1 plus 0 plus 3. 1 plus 0 plus 2. And the 3. Is 3 divisible by 3? Yes. So 102 divisible by 3. We can check whether it is right or not. 102. 3 3 is 9. 12. 3 4 is 12. Remainder is 0. So exactly 102 divided by 3. Okay. 102. Next, add 3. 105. Next, 111. Next, 114. Next, 117. So and so. I'm just adding 3 because of divisible by 3. Is 999 divisible by 3? Yes. 999 also divisible by 3. Okay. 3 digit numbers I have taken. Divisible by 3 numbers are taken. And next, not divisible by 6. So in this, if any number divisible by 6, remove them. Okay, na? Because we have to not divisible by 6. Check it whether it is divisible by 6 or not. 102 divisible by 6 or not. Okay. 6 1 is 6. 4 2 6 7 is 40. So it is divisible by 6. So it is not taken. Because of the numbers must be 3 digit, must be divisible by 3, but not divisible by 6. Okay, next take 105. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 6. Check it, 105. 6 1 is 6, 45. 6 7 is 42. Remainder is 3. So it is not divisible by 6. So it is taken. Because of we want to not divisible number, so 6. Not divisible number 105. So 105 is taken. Next check 111. Okay na? No. So for 6 also there is a rule. If it is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 3 and divisible by 2. So these are all already divisible by 3. Here we can check for 2 also. It is not divisible by 2. Sorry, it is divisible by 2. So it is not taken. Next 117. Okay na? Dash dash dash. Is it divisible by 6? No. 999. Okay na? So check common difference is same or not? 6, 6, so and so. So now we got a series. First number A, common difference, and n equal 999, and series is got. Do similarly as well as how we have done the previous questions. This also like that's all. Okay. Simplify next. That is next. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers as which are divisible by 4. Okay, same as well as do the problems. This is the progression 4 marks important and the previous questions. I think this concept is very much enough. If you complete this, then you can go to through the textbooks. And one more request, please subscribe and share with your friends. All the best for your exams. Thank you.